Hey there friends, Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. We have sketch number 95 for our DSP Paper Share sketch projects. This one's going to be using the Zoo Crew DSP, and I've paired it with crumb cake as our base layer. Now I'm going to take this 6x6 piece and cut it down so that I'm segmenting it into a section that I want to showcase on the front of my card. So I've cut this section out at 5.5 by 2 3/4. Next I'm going to take this scrap piece from a previous project and trim out two strips that are 5.5 by 3/4 each. Then we're going to stamp directly to our card front with our Lost Lagoon ink with the Darling Detail sentiment, and I embossed that with clear emboss. So here are the parts and pieces for this simple project, and yes, the tutorial will come out on Wednesday in your email if you subscribed. So begin by giving your base card a good crease with your bone folder. Then we're going to add our DSP sections to the top and bottom of our larger panel. I put liquid adhesive right along the edge of those strips, positioned my center panel across the top one, and then I go ahead and tuck the bottom one underneath and position those as so. Now we just need to add that layer to the front of our card with liquid adhesive, and our simple project is all done. This one is really simple, guys. You could do this with lots of different panels. We have beautiful papers with patterns, so use those up. Remember, I like to see those thumbs up. Let me know that you like the project. Also, you can leave me a comment if you visited today. You can subscribe here to YouTube so you don't miss out on future projects, and you can always find me on my webpage at www.pumpkinhillstampers.com. Thanks so much for joining me today, and we'll stamp again real soon.